It's 11 p.m. on a Tuesday, and you're checking your bank account for the fifth time this week, hoping money will magically appear that doesn't exist. You have ideas, you have energy, you even have knowledge, but you lack the resource everyone says you need to get started: seed capital. But let me tell you something. Seed capital is the most overrated obstacle in the history of business. The Jewish people have proven this for 3,000 years, being expelled from over 100 countries, losing everything repeatedly, and rebuilding empires each time without a penny to their name. How do they do it? By mastering exactly 5 specific paths to convert zero capital into real cash flow. Before revealing these paths to you, you need to understand something fundamental written in Proverbs 13 verse 11. Wealth gained hastily will dwindle, but whoever gathers diligently will increase it. The wise understood that money that comes easily goes easily, but money you build with a sustainable system remains and multiplies. These 5 paths aren't shortcuts to getting rich tomorrow. They're proven systems for generating your first $500 to $2,000 without any capital investment, which you can then scale systematically. The reason most people never earn their first money isn't a lack of opportunity. It's that they're pursuing the wrong path for their specific situation. Not all paths work for everyone. Some require specific skills, others require networking, and still others require available time. Your job is to identify which of the 5 paths is most accessible for you specifically and execute it for 30 to 60 days with absolute discipline. The first path is the one the Jewish people have mastered for millennia: the knowledge route. Selling the expertise you already possess. You don't need to be a global expert. You just need to know more than the average person about something specific. And you're guaranteed to know more than average about at least 3 to 5 things. The mistake everyone makes is thinking, my knowledge is too basic. No one would pay for this. Wrong. There's always someone 2 steps behind you who would pay to avoid making the mistakes you've already made. Here's the specific system for monetizing knowledge without capital. Step 1. Identify the 3 things you consistently do better than 70% of people. Not better than experts, but better than average. It could be cooking a certain dish, using Excel for specific analyses, speaking a foreign language, organizing spaces, watering plants, or training dogs. Step 2. Create an ultra-specific offer. I teach skill to specific person for a concrete result in defined time frame. Example: I teach Excel for financial analysis to junior accountants to reduce their reporting time by 50% in 3 2-hour sessions. Step 3. Offer the first 3 sessions at a deliberately low price to attract initial clients. Step 4. Document the testimonials and results with photos/data. Step 5. With 3 testimonials, you increase the price for new clients and offer it to 20 new people. The conversion rate will be higher because you have social proof. In 60 days, you'll be generating a good income without any capital investment, simply by monetizing the knowledge you already have. A Jewish entrepreneur applied this exact strategy. She knew how to use Canva better than average. She created an offer: Instagram post designed for coaches who want to look professional in 2 hours of training plus 5 custom templates, $50. She got 4 clients the first week through direct messages. Within 90 days, she had 25 recurring clients paying $50 to $100 per month. Monthly income, $1,000 to $2,500 without having invested a penny, just using her Canva skills, which she learned for free on YouTube. The second path is for those with more time than specialized knowledge: the time route. Immediate services with high perceived value. People don't just pay for results, they pay for speed, convenience, and reliability. If you can deliver those 3 things, you can charge a premium even for basic services. Historically, Jewish people thrived in the service industry because they understood that the customer's time is worth more than your own. The system. Step 1. Identify services that people hate doing and where speed has value. Grocery shopping, deep cleaning houses, handling paperwork, organizing moves, pet sitting, preparing weekday meals. Step 2. Offers a premium version with a time guarantee. Grocery shopping delivered in a maximum of 3 hours from your list or free, or deep cleaning of a 2-bedroom apartment in a maximum of 4 hours guaranteed. Step 3. Charge 30 to 50% more than the competition because you offer time certainty plus reliability. Step 4. Ask for a referral after every successful service. Were you satisfied? Do you know 2 people who need this? Step 5. Each client generates an average of 1.5 new clients if you specifically request it. In 8 weeks, you scale from 3 initial clients to 15 to 20. If you found this video helpful, please give a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our next video. The third path is the most underrated, but potentially the most lucrative, the connector route, charging commissions for connecting supply with demand. Jews dominated trade for centuries not by producing anything themselves, but by being indispensable intermediaries between producers and buyers. The Talmud teaches the concept of the shadchan, matchmaker, one who connects 2 mutually beneficial parties and charges for the connection. The modern system is as follows. Step 1. Identify industries where supply and demand exist but are not efficiently connected. Examples: homeowners needing renovations with reliable contractors, businesses needing specialized freelancers with freelancers seeking clients, people selling used cars with serious buyers. Step 2. Build a relationship with one side first, usually the supplier. Find 5 to 10 verified quality service providers, contractors, designers, photographers, whatever. Step 3. Offer them the opportunity to attract qualified clients in exchange for a 10 to 20% commission on the first transaction. Most happily accept because it's zero acquisition cost until there are results. Step 4. Actively seek demand. Facebook groups, local forums, acquaintances. When someone needs the service, you connect them with your pre-verified provider. Step 5. You collect a commission when the deal closes. Average commissions: $100 to $500 per successful connection, depending on the service. This requires zero capital, only the ability to build trust on both sides. For example, a Jewish entrepreneur in Texas connects commercial property owners with specialized industrial cleaning companies. He doesn't do the cleaning himself. He just connects them. Commission: 15% of the first-year contract. Average contracts: $200 to $500 per month. His commission per client: $360 to $900 annually for a single connection. With 12 to 15 connections per year, he generates $5,000 to $10,000 with no inventory, no employees, and no office. Just a reputation as a reliable connector. The fourth path is for those with an eye for opportunity. The arbitrage route, buying and selling without needing inventory. The Jewish people were masters at identifying price differences between markets and capturing those differences. The modern version doesn't require capital if you use a pre-sale model. Step 1. Identify products where there is a significant price difference between channels. Example: clearance items in physical stores that are sold at the regular price online, professional services that could be outsourced at 30 to 40% of the retail price. Step 2. Find a specific product and check the actual demand, Google searches, eBay sales/secondhand apps. Step 3. List the product online at a competitive price before buying it. Step 4. When you sell, then you buy from the supplier and ship directly to the customer. Your profit is the difference. Risk: zero capital tied up in inventory. Step 5. Reinvest profits by purchasing 2 to 3 units to maintain inventory and enable faster shipping. Scale gradually without debt. For example, a student found that certain technical books sell for $80 to $120 on Amazon Mexico, but are available on clearance at Barnes & Noble in the United States for $10 to $20. He listed them on Amazon Mexico, and when they sold, he bought them in the USA and shipped them. Margin: $40 to $60 per book. Volume: 30 to 50 books per month. Income: $1,500 to $2,500 per month with 10 to 15 hours of work per week. Initial capital: $0. He used the profit from the first sales for the next purchase. The fifth and final path is the most creative: the improvement route, charging a percentage of the savings/profits you generate for others. This path requires analytical skills, but zero capital. Historically, Jewish people thrived as consultants and optimizers because they could charge based on results, eliminating risk for the client. Step 1. Identify inefficient processes in small to medium-sized businesses. Wasted time, unnecessary expenses, slow processes, and lost customers due to poor experiences. Step 2. Offer a free 1 to 2 hour audit to pinpoint exactly how much they're losing. Quantify in dollars. They're losing $800 per month due to this inefficient process, or they're missing out on $2,000 per month by not following up with customers. Step 3. Simple proposal. I implement a solution that eliminates this loss. I don't charge anything up front. I charge 30% of the additional savings/profit during the first 6 months. Step 4. The client usually accepts because the risk is zero. They only pay if there is a measurable result. Step 5. Implement the improvement, often simple process changes, not expensive technology. Document the result and collect your percentage. A consultant in Chicago identified that small restaurants lose 20 to 30% of phone orders because the line is busy during peak hours. Solution: a simple text messaging system for orders that cost $50 per month. Proposal: I'll implement the system, but I won't charge you. I'll take 40% of the profit from any additional orders generated. The average restaurant earned an additional $1,200 to $2,000 per month. Their revenue per restaurant, $480 to $800 per month. With 5 to 8 restaurants, they generated $2,400 to $6,400 per month. Capital invested, zero. They charged based on results. Here's what connects the 5 paths. None require financial capital. They all require execution capital, time, discipline, and follow through. Most people fail not because the paths don't work, but because they execute them for 2 weeks, don't see massive results, and give up. Jewish people who build wealth from scratch consistently execute them for a minimum of 3 to 6 months before evaluating whether they work. Each path has an ideal profile. The knowledge route works best if you have a specific skill that others need to learn. The time route works if you have 20 to 30 hours available per week and live in an urban area. The connector route works if you have a knack for building relationships and already know people in certain sectors. The arbitrage route works if you have an eye for opportunities and can dedicate time to market research. The improvement route works if you have analytical skills and can communicate quantifiable value. Now, choose the path that best aligns with your current resources and execute it for 60 days without excuses. Days 1 to 15. Get started and acquire your first 3 clients. Days 16 to 30. Make adjustments based on feedback and acquire the next 5 clients. Days 31 to 45. Optimize the process and scale to 12 to 15 clients. Days 46 to 60. Systematize and delegate replicable tasks. In 60 days of disciplined execution on one of these paths, you'll generate substantial capital starting from nothing. That's the proof of concept that destroys the "I don't have capital to start" excuse. Now you have self-generated capital, and you reinvest in scaling the same path or exploring another. If you're ready to stop using "I don't have capital" as an excuse and start generating your first income, write in the comments which are the 5 paths you'll take. That public declaration creates a psychological commitment. And share this video with someone who keeps waiting for money instead of taking advantage of the paths that are already available. And if you enjoyed the video, remember to subscribe to the channel to keep enjoying more content like this.